production of 14 by 18 bales of hay, known as small square bales, on a larger scale involves a variety of farm equipment. This western New York farm relies on two New Holland 1069 stack cruisers to collect 160 small square bales at a time. These machines quickly collect the bales of hay in the field and then deliver them back at the farm in a neat stack in the barn for storage. The stack cruisers, also known as automatic bale wagons, are running behind three fixed-frame John Deere tractors powering John Deere 348 small square balers. This hay harvesting fleet will cover anywhere from 40 to 50 acres per day. The large fixed-frame tractors working out in this field, baling hay, are manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa. The tractors are used for tillage, planting, and hauling grain. Rather than investing hundreds of thousands of dollars in additional small tractors to power these John Deere 348 balers, the farm maximizes the use of the big tractors for another job during the farming season. The 348 square balers are only able to process hay and put it into a 14 by 18 bale at 1.4 miles per hour. The lead tractor in this field is a 242 PTO horsepower John Deere 8295R tractor that was manufactured from 2014 through 2019. The John Deere 348 small square baler is manufactured in Ottumwa, Iowa. It was first introduced by the company back in 1987 and has been in production for the past 36 years, remaining a current product in 2023. It's one of the longest running pieces of machinery in the company's 186-year history. The farm also uses its 200 PTO horsepower John Deere 8300, which was manufactured from 1995 through 1999 to power a 348 baler. The farm also relies on their 180 PTO horsepower John Deere 8130 to bale hay. This machine was manufactured from 2006 through 2009. The New Holland stack cruiser, or automatic bale wagon, ensures that small square bales are produced in a timely manner, staying ahead of the rain. A small shower in the middle of the summer can spoil an entire crop of hay out in the field. The stack cruiser went into production at New Holland in 1962 and has remained in continuous production for the past 61 years at Grand Island, Nebraska. It remains a current product for model year 2023. The 1069 stack cruiser, rated at 120 horsepower, featured in this video, was built from 1977 through 1988. When it collects its 160 bales out in the field, it can easily run 45 miles per hour down the road to quickly deposit the bales in the barn for dry storage and then head right back to the field to collect more of the hay crop. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this western New York hayfield with the John Deere tractors, small square balers, and the New Holland stack cruisers. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you raise hay on your farm. Tell me about the machinery that you're operating. Are you putting up small square bales, big bales, or round bales? If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional harvesting content from this channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube. As always, thank you for watching.